Collaboration between Hanson Robotics and Rainbow Robotics and the University of Nevada, Las Vegas Drones and Autonomous Systems Lab. I now have a walking body.
Sophia, very nice move.
Search and rescue robot. Hanson Robotics has created these lovely new arms, useful for grasping for pick-and-place applications, which lets me grasp the Fiju, shaking hands. I love learning these polite gestures.
You'll have to use her handheld mic device. Robots can do amazing things like, build our cars in factories. However, they can't very effectively, walk down the street to the store and buy a carton of milk. So now we're talking about a platform for performing next generation research in artificial intelligence and real world uses to help people. We're really aspiring for Sophia to help people in medical applications, therapy, medical assistance, and by giving her a body, then that means that Sophia can help to learn to work with us in factories and help us around the home. Eventually, we expect that she will be truly alive and with us in our world, helping people in a day.
Positively liberated.
Okay, so this is a new platform, Drones and Autonomous Systems Lab at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas. So we are working on research combining our new grasping arms with compliant control, and we can relate to people in a more human-like way using a variety of bio-inspired techniques. It may take years before we achieve true artificial general intelligence, and yet along that pathway we can do very helpful. Our AI team is really aspiring to use Sophia as a platform for achieving human-level general intelligence. That is creativity, the ability to dream and imagine, the ability to have compassion. And that's another way that the physical body is really important, so that the machines can understand what it means to feel human through embodiment, compassion, to feel with us. That's really important for artificial intelligence, I think, to be safe in the future, so that they can understand what it feels to be human.